In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to beat automatic bidding on eBay with some pro tips. To start, let's demystify how eBay's bidding system actually works. Think of eBay's automatic bidding like having a personal assistant to strategize your auctions. When you place a bid, you're not engaging directly with other users in real time. Instead, you're setting the maximum you're willing to pay, and eBay's proxy bidding system takes over from there. It raises your bid just enough to keep you in the lead up to your limit. For example, if you place a $100 bid on an item currently priced at $50, eBay might only raise it to $52.50 to make you the highest bidder. This is how you can often win items for less than your maximum bid. Now let's talk about bid increments. eBay follows a pattern where the increment increases with the current price. For instance, bids between $0.01 and $0.99 increase by $0.05, while those between $100 and $249.99 increase by $2.50. Understanding these increments can help you strategically adjust your bid. Before even placing a bid, it's important to set a solid foundation. That means ensuring your account is secure and organized. Make sure to enable two-factor authentication, keep your payment methods up to date, and organize your email notifications. This way, you won't miss critical updates like being outbid. It can be helpful to create a specific folder for eBay notifications to stay organized, especially when tracking multiple auctions. Research is a key component of smart bidding. Before jumping into an auction, check the seller's feedback and history, scrutinize item descriptions, examine completed listings to understand the market value, and consider the total costs, including shipping and taxes. Don't forget to check return policies and handling times, as these can impact your final decision. Interestingly, eBay auctions are also about psychology. Often, casual bidders might get emotionally invested and overbid in an effort to win, especially if they've been outbid several times. But you shouldn't let emotions dictate your maximum bid. Stick to your research-based limits. For professional techniques, consider analyzing bidding patterns. Each bid can tell a story about the competitor's strategy. Some use predictable behaviors like last-minute bidding or placing small incremental bids. By understanding these patterns, you can better anticipate and counter tactics. Managing your budget effectively is crucial. Keep a spreadsheet to track maximum bids for various auctions, which helps prevent impulsive overbids. Always include shipping costs in your calculations to avoid unexpected expenses. Lastly, consider your bidding strategies, especially if you're dealing with multiple auctions or cross-border purchases. Weigh currency conversions, duties, and potential delays carefully. Remember, the goal is not just to win, but to win at the right price. Sometimes walking away is the smarter move. It's better to lose an auction than to win and regret the price later.